I have finished my 60-clone machine. 60-clone revision 254.66, and there it is. Black case, bread bin keyboard. I found these stickers on eBay, these case badges, and I think it looks rather nice. Yeah, what else? Black case, the black 60-clone board, the power LED. I chose an orange one, and on the bottom of the machine, brown feet, or rubber feet, or what it's called. But yeah, that's my homemade Commodore 64 clone. I call her Black Bessy. Oh, it's a really nice machine. It's like all black. Black case. The keyboard bracket standoffs that holds the keyboard up, they are black as well. It's just a wonderful case. It's one of those newly produced cases that they rescued the old molds, and yeah. But yeah, Black Bessy. It's a nice machine. Well, and it works. Actually, I bought a aftermarket modulator replacement. It's not good. Nope. I remember that I had this aftermarket, no old stock, original modulator, and I soldered it in, and oh boy, the picture quality is superb. It's like 1986 all over, because the board is a clone of the 1986 Commodore 64 board. The big 2, it's the revision 5, and a original RF modulator. It's like, it's just sharp. Almost no artifacts. Almost. There are, however, one small issue, and I have no idea what it is. I replaced all the logic chips surrounding the graphics, and I swapped the modulator, the timer clock. I tried to, what's it called, the trimmer, on a CRT television. It's all black and white. On the RetroTink, it's all color. I tried composite cable, I tried SCART cable, I even used the composite from the S-video cable on my CRT television, and there's no color, it's all black and white. If I run through the RetroTink, all color, perfect image. I really don't know if it's a bug on the revision 1.2 of the SixtyClone board, or is the VIC-2 or something else that I missed. I don't have any spare VIC-2. So if anyone have any idea, any suggestions what I should look at or look into, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, it's working. It's wonderful. I love it. Black Bessy, the Goth64. Now, I do the bracket, or what it's called, over the cartridge port. I've not soldered that in, and I need some more and better cooling on the VIC-2 and the 5-volt regulator. It gets really hot, and then I have an idea for a case mod that will bring this up to awesomeness. But I'm waiting for stuff from China. But it will not be a mod, a case mod. I will not cut into this case, because as I understand it, it's almost over. You can't buy any more cases at Pixel Wizard. They are all out. And this is one of the last black cases. Icon will probably sell them. That's what they announced. But honestly, I don't know if there will be any more new cases for sale. But the black one, that's awesome. I just regret I didn't buy the SX64 version. And the bread bin color for my original bread bin. I regret not buying them. But hey, at least I got my black case. But yeah, if anyone is wondering about this case badge, I bought it from an eBay seller that sells cheap case badges, and I believe, well, as far as I remember, he lives in Poland, or ships from Poland, and they are really cheap and nice. Some might say they are expensive, but for a project like this, they are cheap. Yeah, I'm not retro-brighted the keys. I think these slight yellow, orange kind of color that goes well with the orange power LED. And the black case, I do not notice when I use the machine, so it's okay. I will not retro-bright them. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.